Alright, y'all, so welcome back. Today, Mason is actually going to be the star of this video. He got the 4th of July backpack by Winda Fireworks at the tent stand today. And he's going to go ahead and open it up and show us what he got. Let's see what you got in there, May. So Mason was real good at the tent stand today. He helped us pick out a lot of good fireworks. So check out our video. We're going to post that tomorrow for the best prices in Clarksville, Tennessee. And we went on a double date with our neighbors. So check out our video tomorrow. But this is Speed Racer, Winda Fireworks. That's cool. We got Racing Motor. Uh-oh, what do we got? Oh, we got a big tank. That's pretty cool.
A tiny one now.
Then we got a little tank.
And now a turtle.
A turtle? Whoa!
Yeah,
oh, it's a tortoise. We got a tortoise.
Oh,
yes, a turtle. Good job. That's cool.
And a no mutated.
Whoa! We got a Concorde jet. That's pretty cool.
Oh my god.
We got another tank. That's a missile launcher. It says missile launcher. That's pretty cool.
Oh, wow.
Oh, we got a Daytona racer. That's pretty cool, guys. What do we got? We got King Claw. So it's a crab. That's cool.
A Disney.
Yep, goldfish. That's pretty cool. We got 2 hens laying eggs.
A ducky.
Oh, we got a rubber ducky. Boop, 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 boop.
A boat.
What? We got a speedboat. Whoa, that's cool. So this is an aircraft carrier. That's awesome.
A dog. A big dog.
Oh, a big frog.
A dog.
Yeah. Big frog.
No tank.
Another tank. Awesome.
3 tanks.
Yeah. 3 tanks so far. 4 tanks, baby. What's that? A monkey drive. That's pretty cool. Something just fell out.
Yeah, he welded.
Oh, the wheels fell off. Okay, we'll put them back on, baby. Don't worry about it.
Yeah.
And then what's down there?
A big duck.
Let's see. What is that?
Peter.
So this is the lightning bug car. So it's 4 bugs, I guess like a Volkswagen bug type thing. All Winda Fireworks, guys. That looks like a fun assortment pack for kids.
It's a big thing.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a big tank. So this pack was $25, guys. You know, for kids experience, this is definitely worth it. But Mason just wanted to do his own open box reveal on this backpack for kids. And that's it, guys. We're going to go ahead and end the video.
Wait.
What?
Yeah, no.
They seen the other backpack yesterday, silly.
Yeah.
Yes. So he wanted to show you this backpack. And that's it for this video, guys. He wanted to do his own video, so we're going to go ahead and post this up. And give him a big thumbs up for, you know, being an awesome sport.
No. This me 1,000 likes.
Oh, he wants 1,000 likes. Okay, give him 1,000 likes, guys. He really appreciate it. He's getting super excited for the 4th of July coming up. And in the background, you'll see we picked up some real good fireworks. And we're going to release that video tomorrow. So that's it. Thanks for stopping by. Appreciate the, you know, everything you guys been doing for us lately. We really appreciate it. And we'll see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.